Hey folks, that heat advisory stays in effect until 6 o'clock for southern Hidalgo County and all of Starr County. Still 100 degrees in Starr County. Everybody else in the 90s except Port Isabel. And the real hottest temperatures have stayed mainly in Starr County. We've seen heat indices about 100 to 105 in southern Hidalgo County, but not the 110 to 115. Brownsville actually had a higher heat index today than a lot of the upper valley because the dew point's so high. These are your current feels like temperatures. Feels like 115 in Rio Grande City. Everybody else is 100 plus. Again, 101 to 106, the highest number in the rest of the valley in Brownsville. And dew points are still up in Brownsville, 79, very sticky there, and even 76 in McAllen, 76 in Rio Grande City. For temperatures as hot as they are, those dew points are high. It is really quite warm, quite humid out there. We're in the mid-70s dew point wise. Brownsville even a little higher than that, so we're kind of at the top of the chart. As far as low temperatures tonight, again, upper 70s and low 80s across the region. And then tomorrow, you're back up to close to 100 in the west, about 81 at the beach, 93 Brownsville, southeast winds 15 to 25. So temperatures similar to today probably across the region. The next 3 days, the normal's 92 now, and we should stay just a little bit above that. Not a lot, but a little bit at 95, 94, 93. Records should not be threatened. Not much in the way of cloud cover today. Patchy stuff, but not much more than that. As we head into tomorrow, though, it looks like maybe the sea breeze could activate. This model, FutureTrack, the high-res model, says not going to happen. Some late-night clouds, and during the daytime tomorrow, it's pretty quiet. The suggestion was maybe a sprinkle out of those clouds the first thing in the morning. But as far as afternoon rain, very, very slight chance. Then tomorrow night, the clouds come back in. So we're mainly dry the next couple of days, but can't completely rule out a brief sprinkle. By the weekend, I think even that will be gone. Look to the north, and we've got a bunch of tornado watches again, and we've got a moderate risk of severe weather again when you get up from northeast Oklahoma all the way into the middle part of Missouri. And this is what the radar looks like. This is a tornado watch. That's a tornado watch. These are all flood watches and warnings and advisories. And you can see there's a warning just north of Oklahoma City now, so a few of those. So the severe weather continues well north of the valley, and it's going to stay up there. FutureTrack just continues to push this warm, humid air up into that part of the state and that part of the country out ahead of the next front, the next dry line. As they move across, they trigger showers and thunderstorms, but none of that down here. Instead, again, maybe an isolated shower, but nothing significant here. Nothing to write home about, and certainly nothing to measure probably, just a few sprinkles, nothing more than a trace probably the next few days. If you're traveling tomorrow, let's take a look at this. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock in the morning, possibility of a thunderstorm in San Antonio. Dallas is 76 with clouds. Amarillo a thunderstorm at 65 degrees. That's in the morning. By afternoon, most of the state recovers into the 80s. Still could be a thunderstorm in Amarillo even at 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. See First Warn 5 AccuWeather with the forecast for tonight. Clouds will thicken up a little bit. It'll be breezy. Low temperatures tonight around 78. Then tomorrow, windy and hot again. Can't rule out a stray, isolated, very light shower, 95. For your high. We do step down to 93 by Saturday. We'll go back to 94 Sunday and kind of go up and down over the course of the next several days. Not much chance of rain other than that isolated shower tomorrow and or Friday. For the most part, it is a hot and dry forecast for the next 7 days. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.